Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel and watching my videos and vlogs. You guys are the best, you guys know that. Yesterday I uploaded a video, my first mukbang video, and I got over 1000 views. That was awesome. I couldn't believe my eyes that you guys loved that video and gave me lots of thumbs up and comments as well. So today also I will be doing a mukbang for you guys. Thank you so much for appreciating my work and liking it. And to be honest, my dream job is to be a full-time YouTuber, and if you guys will keep on watching my video, I can make more videos and be a full-time YouTuber. So please guys, share my video, like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more updates. You guys make my day and it means a lot. Thank you all from the bottom of my heart. So for my look today, I went for smoky eyes with winged eyeliner and pink gradient lips. Oh my god guys, it's snowing right now, and yesterday it was snowing as well. I got the footage for you after finishing my vlog. It was snowing heavily and I will add that footage next, but first let's go ahead and check out the snow. It's so pretty outside, I just love it. Look at this guys, it's snowing. It's so pretty out here. I wish you guys were here. Look at my hair. It's covered with snow. Look at this. Snow everywhere. स्नो परिरहेछ अहिले चाहिँ. ए आमा कस्तो डेन्जर स्नो परेको है. देख्दैन नि. मजाको. तिमी चिनी कति हाल्छौ? म त आधा चम्चा मात्र हाल्दिनु है. ओहो, के हो यति साह्रो स्नो परेको? अब त ढाकिन्छ होला हौ दिदी. आज त ढाकिन्छ. आम्मा ठुलो डल्लो परेछ नि है. हो, अघि नै ठ्याक्क झन् ब्लग गर्दाखेरि खिच्दाखेरि चाहिँ नपरेको है. अहिले त दन्दन्ती परेछ. त्यही हाल्दै नहाले. मैले यो खिचेको हेर्नु न. यो खिचेको के. So today I'm eating toast with some butter, sausage, hash brown, fried egg, grilled tomatoes and some mushroom. Yummy! So this is my English breakfast guys, and I'm going to go ahead and start eating cause I'm super hungry today. Sausage. I don't like to fry my sausage, I just like to microwave it. So it works for me. Mushroom. Toast. I'm also drinking my water. Whoops, it's so floppy. It's hot. This is my 6th day eating the same breakfast. If you watch my daily vlogs, you guys know how much I love English breakfast. Perfectly cooked. I love all types of egg, but I don't like sunny side eggs. I don't like that egg, to be honest. Tomatoes. That's my lipstick right over there. That's a big bite. Oh. Mm. Mm. That was delicious. Last bite. My plate is clear and it was super delicious. Thank you so much for watching my mukbang. So guys, now I'm going to go ahead and film my closet tour. It is my Sari closet and that's my only closet, to be honest, cause the other closet is for my husband. And this is one of my highly requested video, guys, and I don't know why people want to see my closet, but it is super messy, I'm warning you. So now let's go ahead and see my closet. So this is my closet door, and as you guys can see, I have my shoe rack right over here. I have already done my shoe collection video, which I will link in the description bar below. So this is the door, and when you open the door you can see this pile of bags and jewelry which I have hooked in this hooker. I got this one from B&M, I believe, and it is really pretty and really good if you like organizing your stuff. So definitely go ahead and buy this one if you like organizing your stuffs, you know. And I like to keep most of my side bags right over here. This one is from Primark and this one is from New Look. It's so pretty, I love it. And this one is a clutch bag which is super edgy. I love this one. It has studs and it is in black color. And I also have this bag which I also got from New Look. It is really beautiful as well. And I have this bag which I got for review. It's kind of like a Chanel inspired bag, and it has black chain and it is made of leather. And this is my last bag which I got from New Look as well. And right over here I have tons of jewelry, as you guys can see. This is one of my favorite necklace, but it is super blingy and on your face. I don't wear this very often, but it is one of my favorite. And this is also one of my favorite. These necklaces were sent to me for review and it is really pretty. I love it. Look at this one, it's so pretty. These are some of my favorites. I just love statement necklaces. And I also have my Peru right over here. That's what I have in this side. And over here I have my kurta, and all my saris and kurtas are right over here. It is so colorful and it is so messy as well. My blouse is right over here, the sari is somewhere else, so it's all messy, guys. Please excuse that. And if you guys would like to see a try on kurta and sari collection, then do give me a thumbs up. I will definitely make that video very soon in the near future, not right now, because some of the kurtas, they don't even fit me, so I will do that later. But do let me know in the comments down below if you guys want to see that video, and I will show you some of my favorite saris at the moment. So one of my favorite sari is this one. It is so pretty. I got this one long time ago. Ani yo sari chai maile kaile pani lako chaina. Look at the detailing. It is so pretty. I just love it. It's super heavy and it is a party wear. It's in pink color with blue rhinestones and gold detailing. Just love this sari. Look at that. So that's one of my favorite, and this sari is also one of my favorite. It is in red color with gold detailing. So pretty, perfect for Tej and, you know, special occasions Love it. Okay guys, that's all for my closet tour. I don't have much inside, but you guys kept asking me, that's why I made this video. So thank you so much for watching this closet tour. Look at this guys, what I found. I found so many coins inside the bag while doing the closet tour. Yay! I'm super happy guys, cause I'm always looking for coins and now I have so many. So one of my subscribers was telling me that don't wear your expired nail polish, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna remove this and wear a new nail polish, and I want to wear this one which I really liked last time. So guys, I'm really excited for today cause today my Apple Watch is coming. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I just can't wait. If you guys watch my daily vlogs, then you guys know that I went to the Apple store and then I went there to buy a USB cable which didn't work. While I was there, I was looking for Apple Watch and my husband was insisting me to get that watch, and I was like, no, I'm not too sure, I will think about it later. And he just kept asking me, why don't you buy the Apple Watch? And I was like, okay, if you really insist, I'm gonna go ahead and buy that watch. So yeah, I will show you my Apple Watch once it's here, and I'm also gonna upload unboxing video for my Apple Watch, so definitely stay tuned for that. By the way guys, today I have also uploaded my Korean white radish pickle. It's really sweet and sour and it is really delicious. It is one of my husband's favorite Korean foods, so I just prepared that for him yesterday, and I also filmed a recipe for you all, so definitely go ahead and watch that video. It's super easy to make, anybody can make that. Go ahead and watch that video and give me a thumbs up. I got a package! Yay guys, you know what is this, right? My Apple Watch. I just can't wait to open it, but first I'm gonna quickly film an unboxing video for you all. So guys, here's my watch. I just filmed an unboxing video for you all and it should be up tomorrow when I upload this vlog. It's so pretty. It is in rose gold color with gold detailing and it is Apple Watch Series 3. I love it. It's so pretty. Yay! Thank you, Buddha. It is so cool. Look at that. Yay, I love it. So guys, it's 28th February today and it's my brother's birthday. So happy birthday, Bikku. Always stay happy, healthy and always keep smiling. I love you. And for his birthday, I got him this watch box. He loves collecting watch and rings, so I thought this will be perfect for him. You can put 8 watches in this box and a lot of rings and other jewelries as well. So here's your gift, Bikku. I hope you will love it. Okay guys, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Please make sure to come back tomorrow and make sure to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more updates. Bye.